Hey everyone, George Jameson back here at the North Street Hingham renovation project, and things are in the final stretch now, so I'm going to give you a quick tour around the house and explain some of the updates in the last 2 weeks. So the new staircase is in here, all new treads and railings, and they're going to be finishing up that this week. In the first floor, got the base coat on the paint, all the trim is in, crown molding. The floors are going to be going in. This accent got painted, looks really cool. You can see now that steel beam has all been encased and has the crown molding, and you see all these recessed lights. It'd be nice when they're on. And then here in the kitchen, everything is in place. Big tall cabinets with the farmer's sink is in. So this will all be getting put in. There's a little pantry over here, and then back here in this room, again, all the molding is in. Looks beautiful. This bathroom is got vanity is in, all the tile work is done. So really finishing up now. You can see how this is going to look. The marble should be in soon, and I would say within the next 2 weeks this job's going to be complete. So we're on the second floor now. The tile work in this bathroom is all done. They've got the vanity bases in, just waiting for the sink. Got this nice subway tile in here. I like the design, nice long tiles, so that looks good. Again, the hardwood floors are going to be in probably in the next week or so. This is the master bedroom up here. Walk-in closet, and then the bathroom there. So again, here's the nice new stairs that have been put in, and it's gonna be a nice chandelier hanging from there. So when the lights are on in here, it's going to be awesome. So that's the update from here. We'll be back next week.